मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज डिस्कस करूंगा आपको व्हाट इज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन। न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन when acid reacts with base to form salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. When acid reacts with base to form salt and water are called neutralization reaction. Okay. Hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to give NaCl plus water. Okay. NaOH plus H2SO4. So sodium hydroxide reacts with sulfuric acid to give sodium sulfate plus water. Okay. Potassium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid HNO3. Nitric acid is HNO3 to give KNO3 and water. How can experimentally show the neutralization reaction? How can experimentally show the neutralization reaction? How experimentally show the neutralization reaction? You take a test tube लेंगे. You take a test tube में सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सोल्यूशन लेंगे, सोल्यूशन ले लिया टेस्ट ट्यूब में. उसके बाद ड्रॉप वाइज फेनोल्फथलीन सोल्यूशन डालेंगे. ड्रॉप वाइज डू यू नो बेस चेंजेस फेनोल्फथलीन सोल्यूशन इनटू पिंक. डालते के साथ वो पिंक कलर अपीयर्स हो जाएगा. उसके बाद डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड ड्रॉप वाइज डालेंगे. डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड ड्रॉप वाइज तब तक डालेंगे जब तक पिंक कलर डिसअपीयर नहीं हो. Why the pink color disappears? It neutralize the effect of base. Acid neutralize the effect of base, so pink color of phenolphthalein disappears. Okay. Again now, then added phenolphthalein solution. Phenolphthalein solution. Drop wise. Okay. So pink color appears. Then add dilute hydrochloric acid drop wise. The pink color disappears. Okay. Now again added sodium hydroxide. The pink color appears. This experiments show the neutralization reaction. Okay. This experiment show the neutralization reaction. Then metal oxide react with acid. Metal oxide react with acid. Metal oxide plus acid to give salt plus water. Salt and water बनेगा. Just for example, metal oxide हम ले लेते हैं आपका copper oxide CuO plus HCl gives CuCl2 plus H2O. Okay. CuCl2 is cuprous chloride, cuprous chloride. Okay, its color is bluish green color, bluish green color. Okay. Another examples, sodium hydroxide and zinc oxide, ZnO plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2O. Okay. Magnesium oxide, MgO plus H2SO4, magnesium sulfate बनेगा and water H2O. Okay. Question is arises, a metal X is reddish brown color, red brown color, which on heating to give salt Y, which is black in color, Y on reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid to give salt Z, which color is bluish green, which color is blue green. Identify X, Y and Z, X, Y and Z, and write the chemical reaction involved. Okay, do you know reddish brown metal X is copper. Copper, which color is reddish brown? Copper X, which is reddish brown color, do you know? Which on a strong heating with oxygen to give CuO. Okay, cupric oxide, that is called cupric oxide. Copper has two valencies, plus one is cuprous, plus two is cupric oxide, CuO Y, which on reaction with hydrochloric acid to give CuCl2 plus water. This is Z, cuprous chloride, which color is bluish green color, blue green color. So X is your copper, Y is copper oxide, and Z is CuCl2 cuprous chloride. This is your problem. Answer is that. Okay. Now come to the next. What happens when metal react with base? What happens when metal reacts with base. Metal reacts with base. Metal react with base to form salt and water. Metal react with base. Metal reacts with base to form salt and hydrogen gas. To form salt and H2 gas. Okay. Just for example, Zn, zinc on reaction with sodium hydroxide is base. Sodium hydroxide is base to give salt Na2 ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas. This compound is named, this salt is named as sodium zincate. Sodium zincate. Okay. Similarly, aluminum reacts with sodium hydroxide. Aluminum reacts with sodium hydroxide to give sodium aluminate. To give sodium aluminate, formula is NaAlO2 plus H2, hydrogen gas is evolved. That compound is known as sodium aluminate. Okay, and hydrogen gas is involved. This reaction is very important. हम एक्सपेरिमेंट द्वारा हम इस रिएक्शन को आपको दिखा दें. ये जिंक मेटल है. This is your zinc metal. Okay, take a zinc metal in a test tube. It's a small piece of zinc metal. Okay. A small piece of zinc metal is taken in a test tube. Then you add sodium hydroxide solution in it. Whatever. Just see. Bubbles takes place. Bubbles slowly bubbles takes place. Just see. This bubbles is due to the formation of hydrogen gas. This bubbles is due to the formation of hydrogen gas. Okay, bubbles formation takes place.
Can you show it once?
Zinc metal is taken in a test tube. जिंक मेटल लिया मैंने. अब यहाँ पे मैंने सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सोल्यूशन डालता हूँ. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सोल्यूशन है, इसमें डाल. Slowly, just see, slowly, bubbles of hydrogen gas is evolved. The reaction is not fast. This reaction is slowly. Okay.
Hold for a second. I do not see bubbles.
Okay. Now come to the next topics. Non-metal oxides react with base. Non-metal oxide Non-metal oxide reacts with base. Okay. Non-metal oxide plus base, salt and water. Non-metal oxide plus base to give salt plus water. Just for example, non-metal oxides is your non-metal oxide is carbon dioxide, non-metal oxide. Base is your NaOH. To give sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 and water, H2O, H2O. This is your sodium carbonate. Okay, non-metal oxide. So non-metal oxide react with base to form salt and water. Okay. Now to come to the next class, pH or okay. Thank you.